Today I want to show you this exciting, striking caravan. This is the Great Alpine Bright 20'6", an ideal caravan for a couple wanting to explore Australia. Whilst Great Alpine have caravans that are ready to go off the shelf, they can also custom manufacture any requirements or anything you'd like. So if you're planning to travel Australia, you want to do it in a Great Alpine, and I'm going to show you why. Okay. The starting point of any great caravan is obviously the chassis. Now with Great Alpine, you have the choice of two. You can choose a GNS chassis or a Silvershine, both Australian made here in Melbourne and using Australian steels. This is an own road van, and it has a standard coupling. 2 9-kilo gas bottles, obviously very important for your cooking and your barbecue. Now, this is one of my favorites, is the actual toolbox. So this is where you store your Weber or your Annex or wet gear or your hoses. This is a great place. Just throw it all in and off you go. We have our tunnel boot. As you can see, twin locking. You open that. We've got the TV, customer's TV here at the moment, but the boot goes right through. And here you would hold your anti-flappers or your awning attachments, your jack for your spare wheel and all those components. Again, another awesome storage area, crucial when you're traveling. In addition, you could have a slide out here, have a temporary kitchen, and we also have a gas outlet here, so for your barbecue, if you pull up in the side of the road and you want to, have lunch, well, you've got a table here, picnic table, and you open that. You got a gas well, you can fire up the barbie and have a meal. Another important thing here is this awning. This is one of the best in the industry. This is the Aussie Traveller awning, one of my favorite, and it just simply works and is very reliable. We also have the external entertainment box. Should you wish to put your TV out here, you've got PowerPoints, you've got your 12 and 240 here. It's also a neat cubby to store things. In addition, these are 16-inch wheels here, so you can see, whilst this is an on-road van, it looks quite striking. You'd sort of mistake it for an off-road, but it is quality made. This is CNC walls with insulation and then aluminium cladding on the front. So very durable, hail resistant, very easy to repair as well should you be in a bingle. You can see we have external speakers, a grab handle. Now, the other thing I want to say, with Great Alpine, you have the choice of having the internals behind this wall being CNC routed ply or aluminium frame. So you can choose a timber frame or aluminium. Again, this is an Aussie Traveller door here, and it's not locked. It's the best in the business. It's got midge proof fly-wire screen here, and it's a very durable, very secure door. In addition, and very handy, are these 2 locker compartments in the back. They can be used for taller items. I always store my chairs in here. You can your table, whatever you feel is necessary. This is a great place to store all those accessories. You have one here and access through the top as well. A rear bumper with a spare tire, a shower here. So when you're coming in off the beach, you want to wash your feet. This is where it's done. Now, as you can see, all this aluminium cladding on the side for protection. So it not only looks smart, but it protects the van from stone chips. So here we have another compartment, and it is fully cladded with aluminium. This is normally what you would use for your generator storage. Okay. And obviously we have our access door for the toilet cassette. We have a watering entry point if you're in a caravan park, and this is where you connect your water to, mud flaps. These are our filling points. As you can see, they're lockable. So this van comes with 2 90-litre water tanks and 1 grey water tank. So you can really be self-sufficient here. If you decide to go to the Murray and camp on our wonderful river, this is the sort of independence and self-sufficiency you need. This is our hot water unit and our 240 entry point. Again, this is Clipsal, Australian approved components for all of our 240 and 12 volt. Another important thing, more and more people choose that self-sufficiency to be off grid. And this van can come with 3 batteries. And as you can see, I love this because it has the battery compartment secured under the van, and this maximizes your storage. You know, many manufacturers will put the battery under the bed, but in this case we've got them here securely located and protected. In addition, this van comes with 370 watt solar panels to charge all those batteries, so ensures you can watch TV and have that self-sufficiency when you're out on the road or camping. Naturally, when we get to a caravan park, we'll just plug our 240 in here and then everything gets charged up, and you operate on standard 240, just like at home. So if you thought the outside was impressive, striking, wait till you come and see the inside. Let's go. Well, as you walk in, the first thing you see is obviously this very convenient pantry. So important. Look at the room there. You could store enough food there for months. You have your microwave, you have your Thetford fridge here, which is locked for travel. You can unlock it. Freezer, fridge, again, ample storage for a family or a couple to be self-sufficient for weeks, if not months. You can see this striking kitchen with lots of drawers. Drawers are actually very convenient, very needed. They kind of stop your caravan being messy, so you can arrange your utensils, your even plates and glasses can go in drawers. We have obviously the Swift oven and cooktop. We have our overhead cupboards here. Again, you can see they're pretty secure. We have the overhead fan in here, but there's ample storage for anything you want to put in here. And as you can see, the color coordination looks quite striking. We also then have this amazing modern looking leather lounge. This table folds away, but this is ideal for a couple. You imagine on your way to Uluru, you pull up on the side of the road and you make a coffee and you're sitting here with your partner in this very comfy lounge watching, well, whether you want to watch telly, why would you? But having a coffee, having a meal, this would be such a great, this is such an airy and great place to be. I love the interior of this caravan. We have our caravan queen bed here, really comfy, and you can choose different types of mattresses, whether you want pillow top, you want it softer, harder. We have our wardrobes, you can choose to have hanging or shelving. Bedside drawers for your phone, your laptop. You have nooks in here with charging points, so you can store your book or your laptop in there. And obviously under the bed, remember our batteries are actually under this van, so you get all this great space to store perhaps a table or your clothing, your shoes, whatever you feel appropriate. In fact, shoes can also be stored down here in this storage area under both seats. Every nook and cranny is utilized for storage here. Again, look at this, more drawers, drawers, which is really good in a caravan. Beautiful bench tops, nicely coordinated, black tapware and sinkware. Now you may prefer chrome, but you've got the option with great Alpine. As I said, they will build to your liking and your specification. You can see we have lots of vents, we have air conditioning, TV mount here with swivels, so you can watch TV in bed at night, or when you're having lunch, you can swivel the TV all the way to here. Lots of big windows. Look at the size of those windows, and they have blinds, they have mesh, so all the standard features of what, you know, of caravan windows, but it really makes this van very airy and stylish inside. All right, that was the van. Now let me show you the bathroom. No caravan is complete without a great bathroom or ensuite. So I'll open this stylish door, and if you follow me in, as you can see, we have our toilet here, our Thetford toilet, drawer here, bench space, and under here we have more storage space. Under here we also have obviously a washing machine. Overhead cupboards, more overhead cupboards, and under here is that generator box we showed you outside. And when you're on the road, there's nothing better than being able to have a shower. So look at this, if I open the shower door, how huge is that? So ladies and gentlemen, that was a great Alpine Bright 20'6". You want to travel Australia? You want to see this great country? This is a great van to escape time and go and travel this beautiful country.